Okay guys, today's project is we're tearing down this house. I'll go walk around it in a second, but there's people here. Big company bought it to put a big warehouse here, so the whole thing is coming down. They've already done an asbestos abatement. House is super old, but nothing you can do. They took the windows out because of asbestos. Just started. We're in a link belt today, and it might be the world's slowest machine. You have to run it all the way on SP, whatever that stands for, and it's still super slow, and the thumb is backwards, so it keeps it interesting, I suppose. But I'll go walk through this house and real quick and show you around it. It's old brick, but there's one room. See, they took the floor out. They took everything out. Basement, there's nothing to see. Old brick walls. They ripped everything out. All the windows had asbestos in it. The floor had asbestos. Pile of trash. It's kind of cool. It's old brick. It's like, you know, it's super thick. It's about a foot thick. But the bathroom, only one bathroom. Walk upstairs real quick if I can remember how to get there. But yeah, there's not much to it. Old. Nothing worth saving. I'll show you the front of the house. I'll be able to get most of the brick off of that. here's where we're at. This is a complete demo. All the concrete, everything has to come out. That was the old basement. This is the new basement. Concrete and footers are over there. Still got a lot of concrete to come out, but it's coming.